Ooh, and how much would you say in total you saved?
I probably saved about...
Our community members are saving a bunch of money. I'm talking on clothing, jewelry, concerts. We were actually at one of our community members' buildings, Janelle. She invited us up because apparently she saved a bunch of money at Lollapalooza. So let's go check it out.
Hey.
Hey, Janelle, are you ready to spill your money-saving secrets?
I sure am. Come on in.
Hey, thank you. So you just got back from Lollapalooza. Can you give us some highlights?
It's true. Let me think. I think, first of all, Chicago is amazing. Definitely recommend. Highly underrated city, especially in the summer. Some highlights, let's see. Definitely saving a lot of money on all of the things that I spent money on, which was a little bit too much. Like my outfit and traveling and everything as a whole. So it was awesome.
Okay, so it sounds like you saved money in a couple different categories. What were some of those categories?
I saved money on a lot of the travel equipment that I bought. So for example, like all the little like shampoo bottles that they make you put all the liquids in for TSA. I also bought like a little neck pillow. I usually have a lot of neck pain on the planes. I got my whole outfit, so like all my clothes and accessories and like makeup and stuff like that. I got a couple of new things just to look really good for the festival and take really good photos. And also like food afterwards. Like we ended up being really hungry after one of the sets that ended pretty late. So my friends and I all got like DoorDash at midnight. So we DoorDash McDonald's and we were able to save money on that too. So a little bit of everything. Do you want some water?
I would love some, thank
Okay,
you.
Awesome.
Okay, before we get into the numbers, can you just give us a quick synopsis? What was your biggest festival win out of all the stuff you just mentioned?
Let's see. Probably saving money on my outfits. I ended up buying like a new shirt and a new skirt and also a couple of like accessories just to look really good. And I ended up saving a little bit on everything, and I also had a couple of gift cards too. So I think that was the biggest like percentage off that I was able to have. Here.
Hey, thank you. Well, speaking on that, can you please show us your first outfit?
Yeah, I'd love to. So I wore this little like crop top kind of shirt. It's kind of like an athletic, like sporty shirt from Aritzia. And I was matching with one of my friends because she was wearing a pretty sporty outfit too. And then I wore this little like kind of skirt shorts kind of number. And I also had this kind of Western belt as well. And then I wore a bunch of like silver jewelry and like little hair clips and a bunch of makeup too.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And on that outfit, how much would you say you saved?
I had an Aritzia gift card because I did a couple of returns. So I'd probably say I saved like, let's see, maybe like $60 or $70, both on like the clothes and also the accessories I got total. Cause yeah, gift cards and like coupons and just like saving all around.
Okay, so since you didn't go to a second day, what did you end up doing? What did you end up saving on?
Let's see. I went all the way around Chicago. Like I did a bunch of touristy stuff with friends. I was in New York before that too, so traveling a lot. I saved a lot on travel essentials. So like I mentioned, I bought like a little neck pillow for the flight. I got all of the little like travel like equipment, like my little like toiletry bag and like all of the like shampoo bottles and stuff like that too. Definitely saved a lot on like different outfits for that trip as well because it was super hot in New York and I wanted to get like a bunch of little cute outfits to like wear and take photos in. What else was there?
I mean, that seems really fun. It seems like saving is kind of just a part of your life.
Yeah, I definitely would say so. Like, if you look around my apartment, I think like a lot of the things that I have and I've kind of curated here are a lot of things I save money on too. Like a bunch of these lamps I got on Facebook Marketplace. Even like that couch over there, I also got on Facebook Marketplace. It's like a Togo dupe. Usually they're like, I think they're a couple thousands of dollars, but I got that one for maybe like $200 or $400.
Hold up, I need a better look at this.
Yeah.
Dude.
It's like, yeah, it's an old, I don't know how to pronounce the designer's name, but it's like New Rose. I don't know. Don't kill me for that, please. But yeah, it's like some French designer, I think, and it's pretty trendy right now. I also like made this painting and I bought all the canvases for it online on Michael's and they were on sale too because I had a code for that. And even like these little guys, do you know who this is?
I don't. What is that? It is
I
very
have like
cute.
so many of them.
Yeah,
this
you
is Chikawa. Like they're like a little Japanese like cartoon, but definitely like one of my favorites. Like my boyfriend and I always like watch the little episodes and everything. And I think I got some of these in Japan, but like a couple of these I also got like online from like those like little knick-knack stores and saved a little bit of money on them too. And saved extra money if like my boyfriend bought them for me, of course.
That's phenomenal.
Yeah, but would definitely say I'm a big saver. Like even like my couch, like I saved a lot of money on. I got it for I think like $600 instead of like $1,000 because I like wanted to watch all the price drops online. And I even like made this like table that you're looking at here. I bought some of these books from like thrift stores. Some of them are mine from my like childhood home, and then the glass I got from Facebook Marketplace. So I definitely say like I'm a pretty thrifty shopper in general, like to save money. You know, like the paychecks, they go pretty fast. So yeah.
Okay, so swinging it right back to Lollapalooza, what would you say in total over the entire festival? How much would you say you saved?
Okay, let me think about that. Between the outfits and the travel supplies, $150 or $160.
I mean, that's pretty good. And going into it, how much did you think you were going to spend, and how much did you actually spend?
I probably, okay, with ticket included, and then also with like staying with people, I saved a little bit of money there. I ended up thinking that I was probably going to spend a little more than like $700 or $800 on everything total, but I probably spent around like 600 maybe.
That's amazing. Absolutely. Well, do you have any other plans for this week?
This weekend I'm actually going on another trip, so I'm gonna go up to the Bay Area and see some family, hang out there. But right now I'm actually gonna go head out to a happy hour with some friends, so I'll show you out.
Okay, thank you. Well, hey, thank you so much for kind of giving us a glimpse into your saving lifestyle and your saving journey on that festival.
Of course. Until next time, thank you.
All right, hey, thank you.